Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the grammar part of your first chapter, article and determiner. Articles and determinants. Okay, first I hope you know what is article. Okay, article is an article of two types. One is definite article, another one is indefinite articles. The articles are of two types. One is definite and indefinite. Definite article, indefinite article. Indefinite. Definite article is the. Indefinite article we will use a and. Okay. So, the article is of two types. One is definite, another one is indefinite. So, the definite article we will call the as a definite article, a and we will call this a indefinite article. This you know already, you had studied from your lower classes. Let us see the usage of the articles. Okay. Wherever we will use a and wherever we will use, first we will discuss about a and. Okay. The first and the foremost thing, we will use a in front of the consonant countable noun and we will use vowel in front of the vowel countable noun, vowel sound, not consonant word, vowel, represents the sound. So, when we have a sound of a, e, I, o, u, we will call it as a vowel sound. Apart from all, we will call another remaining things are called consonant sounds. Okay. Let us see where we will use a and wherever we will use and. It is not in your book, so you had to, if you have time, if you find time, you just note it in your note. The indefinite articles we will use before the countable noun to indicate one. Okay. A and it indicates only one thing. It will use before the countable noun which indicates only one. It represents a. Now, one da and. So, the first thing I have a scooter and bicycle and two bicycle. So, we will use a scooter. So, a it means one. Okay. To indicate the cost, speed and the frequency, we will use in front of the cost, speed as well as the frequency. The milkman sell a liter of milk, 1 liter, a liter, it is the quantity, it shows the quantity. A liter of milk for rupees 45. The super fast train run at 200 km an hour. So, an hour, it shows the frequency, how fast the train is moving, 200 km an hour. The doctor advised him to take a medicine 4 times a day, 4 times a day. So, for one day he is asking, the doctor is asking the patient to take 4 times. So, it is indicating one singular. It's first we will use indefinite article to represent the things which indicates only one singular. Yeah, one indicates one. Okay. So, I have 2 pencil and 1 pen. So, it is we are using 1 pen. Another one we will use for the speed, cost as well as for the frequencies. So, he is giving a liter of milk for rupees 45. Okay. The train is moving at the speed of 200 km an hour. Here also we are using indefinite article. Next, another one. The doctor advised him to take a medicine 4 times a day. Are you understand? The first thing we will use indefinite article to indicate only one, and the second point we will use the indefinite article for the cost, frequency and the speed. Okay. Next, we will use the indefinite article for certain numbers. Okay. numbers, cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers. So cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a cardinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, that is a ordinal number. So in front of the numbers we will use the indefinite article. A 1, a 100, a couple, a dozen we will use for the numbers. Okay, and we will use in the sense we will use for the proper noun into the common noun. So we will use the proper noun in the common noun. So he is a Solomon. He is Solomon. He is a Solomon is his wisdom. So he is a Solomon. He is a Solomon in his wisdom. So we are comparing Solomon for his wisdom. So he is a Solomon. Okay. So indicating the proper noun into the common noun. So we are making the Solomon a proper noun as a common noun for the wisdom. How he is, how Solomon is. Solomon is wisdom. So Solomon நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம், wisdom-த்துக்காக example பண்ணோம். That is we are converting the proper noun into the common noun. He is a Tilak in his outlook. He is a Tilak. Tilak is a proper noun or name of a person that we are using as a proper noun. He is a Tilak in his outlook. How Tilak is? Tilak is very bold. So outward appearance he is bold. So we are using the proper noun Tilak into the common noun. So in such area we will use this indefinite articles. Okay. The next one, we will use an before the singular countable noun begin with the vowel sound. As I said at the first, we will use the an in front of the vowel sound, not vowel word, we will use in front of the vowel sound. Okay. An elephant, on an orange, an honest man. H is a silent here. So we will use an in front of the honest. Okay. Next, I hope you had understand what is a wherever we will use this indefinite article a and the an. A we will use in front of the vowel sound and an we will use in front of the consonant sound. Okay, and we will use to indicate only one thing, and we will use for the cost, speed and the frequency, and we will use in front of the proper noun to change into the common noun. As I said, he is a Solomon in his wisdom. So his wisdom is like Solomon. He is Tilak at his outlook. So he is comparing to the Tilak, the braveness of the Tilak. By seeing the outwardly, he is very brave. Okay. Then we will go for the usage of the definite article the. Okay. So let us discuss wherever we will use the we will use in front of the superlative degree. In front of all the superlative degree we will use the. When we speak of the particular person or the thing are already referred to. So we will use a cow is a useful animal. Okay, first we are using, for example, a cow is a useful animal. So it is representing the whole cow. Next, the cows gives us milk. The cow which we had already speak about. So from that we are referring that at the time we will use there. Okay. So for example, one more example I will give. This is the house that Jack built. So we are representing the house, that is a defining what we had already spoken about. So the house. I saw a man in your office, that man was blind. I saw a man. So I saw a man. First we had spoken about the man. Next again we are talking about that man. So then next we are using the man was blind. Okay. So again we are representing the same man. What we have spoken about. முன்னாடியே பேசனவங்கள பத்தி திருப்பி பேசணும்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், தேங்கிறத யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Okay. Before the name of the thing which we are unique of their kind. So when there is only one thing, the sun, the moon, the earth, we will use that. Okay. Before the ocean, sea, mountain, ranges, a group of islands and certain places we will use the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Andaman Nicobar, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Himalaya, the Andaman and Nicobar, the Deccan, the Punjab. Okay. Before the name of the certain books. So in some epics, definitely the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran we will use. Before the superlative degree. First I said first one is the superlative degree. Next we will use for the word which we had already spoken. If you want to if you are going to speak the same particular word again, I met a boy. The boy was athlete. I met a boy. That the boy was athlete. So again I am talking about the boy. So then we are using the. Then we will use only the in front of the unique thing and certain books, that is epics or holy books, and we will use in front of the mountain, ocean, valley, islands as well as some certain places also. Okay. Then before the musical instruments. So in front of the musical instruments we will use the guitar, the flute, the violin. So in front of the musical instruments we will use that. Okay. Next, we will use in front of the adjectives. We will the rich, the poor, the honest, the truthful. So there we will use that. And we will use the in front of the newspapers and magazines and the political parties and events. Okay, the Hindu. So political parties, the DMK, the Anna Dravida Munnetra Kalagam, the Congress. Then some movements also, for the movements, the Quit India movement, the Jallianwala Bagh. So for the historical movements also we will use, as well as we will use for monuments also. Movement is different, monument is different. No, monument and what is the difference between the monument and the building? Building is a thing which we will construct using the cements and the bricks. And monuments is nothing, it is in memory of somebody. If we build something, that is a monument. So in front of the monuments, the Taj Mahal, we should not say Taj Mahal, it is the Taj Mahal. So we will use in front of the monuments also, we will use the definite article the. Before the proper noun, when it is qualified by the adjective. Are you understanding? Before the proper noun, the great, the Mahatma Gandhi, the great Akbar, the great Alexander. So Alexander is a name, Akbar is a name, great, we are using the adjective there. Okay. So in front of that, there we will use that. Okay, this is a new, it's not available in your book, just go listen what I am telling. Before the collective noun, so the group of, the herds of elephants, the flock of birds, the bunch of grapes. So group of collective nouns we will use the mob. The mob means MOB, mob means the people. Okay. So in front of that we will use the ordinal number. I told you cardinal number and ordinal number difference in them. When we indicate only in numbers, normal number 1 to 3 we will call it as a cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means the ranking, the first, the second, the third, there we will use that. Okay. Next, before the singular noun to represent the whole class, I told you the cow is a domestic animal, the lion is a wild animal. So we are representing only one animal for the whole class, there we will use that. Okay. As an adjective with a comparative, the more you work, the more you earn. So when we compare something, at that place we will use that. Okay. Usually we will use the in front of the superlative degree, and already if you spoke about the same person, once again we are talking about that particular thing, we will use the in front of the superlatives, in front of the mountain, valleys, islands, oceans, oceans, we will use that, and we will use the in front of the musical instruments, we will use the before the cardinal instrument, cardinal number, we will use the before the adjectives, use the pronoun, using with the pronoun, and we will use before the newspapers, monuments, magazines, movements, and so many things. Okay. So you have to know where we will use the and where we will use yeah and an. Okay. And one more thing is there, omission of article. What is omission of articles? What are the place we should not use articles? That is a omission of articles. Okay. Before a common noun used in a wider sense. in front of the common noun will use in a wider sense. Okay. So, money is immortal. Money is immortal. So, immortal, in front of the immortal we should not use any articles. Okay. Before the name of the material or uncountable noun. So, before the material as well as in the uncountable noun we should not use articles, omission of articles. Gold is precious metal. The gold we should not say because it is a material. Cotton grow in India. Cotton grow in India. In front of the country also we won't use any article. Okay. Before the proper noun. Rajaji was a wise man. So, we should not use article. Bombay is a big city. We are not using. Okay. Abstract noun is general in case. Wisdom is a gift of heaven. So, here abstract noun is used. Wisdom is used here. So, we are not using any article in front of. Honesty is the best policy. The honesty we should not say. Honest is the best policy. Here we will look. Before the language we should not use. I am studying the English, not I am studying English. I am learning English. Okay. I am learning French. I am learning Sanskrit. So, in front of the language we should not use any article. Before the title used in the opposition. So, we should not use before the title. Okay. Before the school, colleges, church, bed, table, hospital we should not use. I go to the school, not I go to school. I go to the church, we should not say I go to church. I go to hospital, I go to the hospital, not. So, here there is not used into refer any definite places or buildings or rather than normal activities that goes in our daily life. Okay. So, here these are the things where we won't use any articles. Okay. So, omission of articles, you know, wherever we will have to use article and wherever we should not use article, where we have to use definite article, where we should not, where we should use indefinite articles. Okay. And one more thing in this lesson they had added you the type of determiner. Type of determiner. There we had studied the prefix and suffix, we had studied about the derivatives. Here they had explained as the determiner. Determiner. Okay. What is determiner? Let us see. Okay. Determiners. The determiners, the types of determiners, the article, demonstrative, possessive adjective, qualifier, number, ordinal. In your book they had given the column articles, types of determiners. First one is articles. Okay. Next, demonstrative, possessive adjective, possessive adjectives. Then first we will discuss this three: article, demonstrative, possessive adjectives. Okay. The articles is three. One is a and the. Okay, these are articles a and the. Demonstrative. Demonstrative is this, indicating this, that, these, those, these and those. This, which is very close to us, we will use this, which is little far, we will use that. If it is singular, we will use this. If it is plural, we will use these. If it is singular, we will use that. If it is plural, we will use those. This and these we will use for the first person or second person. Those we will use for the third person. Okay, those and that. Possessive adjective. Possessive, which is belongs to us. So, possessive adjectives are there. What are the possessive adjective? My, your, his, her, its, our, there. These are the possessive. என்னுடையது, யாருடையது. So these are the possessive adjectives. So article a and the. Demonstrative, it's indicating word this and these, that and those. This and these we will use. This is a singular, this is a plural, that is a singular and those is a plural form. So it is very close, we will use this and these. If it is more in number, we will use these. If it is far away, we will say that, third person, and those, plural form. Okay. And my, your, his, her, its are there. My என்னுடையது, your உன்னுடையது, his அவளுடையது, அவனுடையது, her அவளுடையது, its அதுடையது, அவர் நம்ம எங்களுடையது, their அவங்களுடையது. So this possessive adjectives, யாருடையது, that is a possessive adjectives. Okay. And quantifier. Quantifier, what is quantifier? Another three is there. Quantifier, numbers, cardinal. Ordinal numbers. Okay. Quantifier. Quantifier means it will show the quantity, that is a quantifier. Okay. Quantifier. Quantifier, then numbers, then ordinal, okay. Quantifier, numbers, ordinal. What are quantifiers? It shows some quantity. We will say some, few, more, that all come under the category of quantifier. Okay. Some, few, little, more, much, less, all will come under the category of quantifier. Okay. Numbers. Numbers you know, 1, 2, all come under the number 1, 2, 3, 4, all will come under the category of numbers. Ordinal number. I had told you what is the difference between the ordinal number and the cardinal number. Cardinal number, it's come under the category of numbers 1, 2, 3. This is a cardinal number. Ordinal number is a ranking, that is first, second, all third, fourth, it will goes on. Okay. So here the type of the determinants are the 6. First is article, that is demonstrative, possessive adjective, quantifier, numbers and ordinals. Okay. These are the types of determinant. So in our book they had given as the 4 exercises. Part A, read the paragraph below and fill the blanks using the articles. The first one they had asked us to fill only the article. The second one they had given us, we have to insert the article wherever it is necessary and we have to rewrite the sentence. And the third one, filling the blanks with the appropriate determiner. Here they had asked us to fill the determiner, and the fourth also filling the blanks with the appropriate determiner. So I will do the exercise of A and C. You have to do the exercise of B and D. Okay. I hope you had understand what is article and what is determiner, what are the types of determiner. The article is also under the category of the determiner. Determiner, demonstrative and possessive adjective, numbers, ordinals as well as the quantifier. Okay. So read the paragraph below and fill the blanks using the article A and the. It is said that, first one, it is said that dash computer is dash electronic extension of the human brain. Therefore, in the principle dash a computer can do all those activities which dash human brain can do. Today, computers are found to be dash the most useful device as knowledge provider. Another important field in the application of computer is dash development of robot. Dash internet has brought dash drastic changes in the communication system. So it is said that dash computer. So first we are talking about said that the computer is an electronic device. Therefore, in the principle of a computer, next it can activities which a human brain can do. Next, superlative degree, most useful. So, most is a superlative degree. So, we have to use the word the. Next, useful device as a knowledge provider. Another important field of application of the computer is dash development. So, the development. Okay. Next one. It's a replace of the robot. The. Next, it will bring a drastic change. So, I had did the A part. So, the second you have to rewrite the passage which is given to you wherever it is necessary. Next, filling the blanks with appropriate determiner. C part I am going to do, article has been included. So, we have to use filling the blanks with the determiner as well as the article. Once this is a story of Chinese story. Once the emperor gave a bag of seeds to the council of the ministers and said that he could give them 6 months time to grow the seed. Whoever does the good job will be made dash emperor of the empire. So, who will make the next? So, the first one, next emperor. This is a C1. Okay. Next, dash the minister took their task seriously. Second one, all the minister. Okay. Next, after 6 months, dash ministers had small plants in their pot. Many ministers. Okay. Next one, a dash had very large plan. So, here we are using the quantifier few. Again we are using the dash had a medium sized plan, some. Here then also we are using the quantifier some. Next, the emperor entered the hall, he was much. Much is also a quantifier. Next, see those plans. Those is a, what is those? Article determiner, those. He called the first. What is first? First will come under the category of ordinal. Next, when he did with the seed, the minister, article, definite article we are using again. Explained the process he adopted to make the plant grow. Okay. Next, the emperor called every other minister. Every is also come under the category of quantifier. Only one minister. This one will come under the category of numbers. They laughed loudly at the foolishness of the minister, but the emperor apologized to him and made him the next. Do you know why he had given them boiled seed which will not grow? Only one minister was honest. So, one will again come under the category of numbers. So, these words, these words are given in a book for your better understanding, to classify what is determiner, in the determiner what is article, what is demonstratives, and what is the possessive adjectives are there, what are quantifier, numbers, ordinal number. This you have to understand. That is why they had given the exercise. So, the exercise B and D has to be done by you. Okay. I hope you had understand, and next class we will go through the tenses. Thank you, my dear students.